Hey guys, welcome back to Nazarettos channel. I got amazing product for you. This is Lasfit floor liners, and this is very amazing product, and this is for the Honda Civic that's behind me, 2013. So I want to show you, in this Honda Civic we got these original carpet floor mats. They're in very bad condition, and there's this brand called Lasfit. This is truly like one of the best aftermarket liners that perfectly fit for this car and for any other vehicle. So let me show you the product. Lasfit liners, specifically laser cut, designed for this 2013 Honda Civic, but there are many more models for this product. So this is the reason why I like these Lasfit liner. Look at this, 90-day money-back guarantee, lifetime hassle-free warranty. They even have 24/7 online support. You can email or you can call the company and they will help you out. Very good, very good liners. I have them on my 2019 Toyota RAV4 for about 4 years, and they are great. The first thing I noticed, this material, this special TPU, made from special TPU material, it does not smell like chemicals, does not smell like plastic, and it's very well designed. And on the bottom here, on the other side, it has this little like teeth, you know, so when you put it on the carpet, this liner will not slide. So this is our driver's side liner, and you see here we have these like little locks, so this liner will lock into place. And also here we have like this little windows. So I'm going to install the driver's side first. Precisely cut by the laser. As you see right here, we can just lock these floor mats so they won't slide. But look how nice this floor mat fits. It looks just so beautiful. I like this pattern, different patterns. And here around the brake pedal and the gas pedal, different pattern. There's a logo, Lasfit liner, and they look just amazing. No chemical smell, specially made from TPU, precision cut by the laser. And this material, over time, it's not gonna like bend, because over 4 years I've used this on my 2019 Toyota RAV4. These Lasfit still holding up pretty well. So let's install the driver's side, passenger side now. There's a little cap. Beautiful. Now the passenger side does not have this like a little window here, and it doesn't lock, but the design has these little like a little teeth, right? So they bite into the carpet, and the floor mat is not going to slide. Nice tall edges, so when you put snow boots or mud, it's not gonna go over. And the biggest problem that I had, and I still have in my other car, is that salt and water gets in here, and there's like a white residue, salt residue. But these are nicely cut, looks amazing. Nice tall ridge here and here, and also this nice pattern. So also these are very easy to wash, so I just take a hose and just hose it down. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Much nicer look. Now for the back, this is one solid piece, so it's actually easier to wash. You just take it out, hose it down, and that's it. There's a logo, Lasfit logo on each side. Also here, this part will cover these bolts that go behind the seat, so that's nice on both sides. And don't worry that the floor mat came like this. It was bent, but once it warms up, it's gonna form into shape. So let's install it. As you see, these original floor mats, regular carpet ones, they're single piece and they don't cover this area, but the Lasfit covers this area as well, and it has a nice tall raised edges. You see, this is what I'm talking about. It covers this area. They did a very good job on precisely cutting these floor mats for this vehicle. And on their website, there are many vehicles that they have these floor mats. It looks very nice. Gives your car a refresh. And it does not smell like plastic. Very strong TPU material, very nice. Now in the trunk, we had these floor mats. They're complete garbage. Nothing in comparison, you see. These are some other ones. So let's install the trunk floor mat. No, don't worry. This came folded. It's gonna unfold naturally. Just fit it in. And it's gonna sit for a little bit, but it's gonna form back into shape. But also in the trunk, if you spill something, this edge, and it goes all around, it's gonna protect the trunk space. So cool. Nice trunk liner. Also, there's a brand, Lasfit liners. There's so many different brands out there, but I've been using Lasfit brand for three different vehicles. I use it on Toyota RAV4, another Honda Civic, and then this Honda Civic. They last very long time. Very nice floor mats. So the trunk liner does not have these like teeth or like little sharp teeth, but it's not sliding anywhere. So the material that it's made from, special rubber called TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, doesn't produce any smell or toxic fumes or anything. So this TPE material is hypoallergenic, so you will not have any allergies once it gets hot on the sun. It doesn't emit any odors. I know I already mentioned this, but these are great. I'm telling you guys, they hold up very well. I'm gonna show you in my Toyota RAV4 how these Lasfit hold up after 4 years. The car is very dirty, but the plastic, the TPE plastic, it's still pretty flexible, and you see it's still holding its edge. Still holding its edge very nicely. This is my rear seat. Sorry for the mess, but you see, they hold up very nice, guys, after 4 years. And a lot of abuse to these floor mats. They look good. So yeah, these will last for a quite long time, and the edges, they don't break and they don't, like, you know, fold or don't sag. It holds the contour of the car pretty well. Such a big difference now. This little Civic looks so nice now. And I think these are newer design because they cover like these bolts or so much. I think these are newer and much thicker design. Taller, a little bit taller sides here. So let's take a cup of water. Let's spill like the whole cup of water. This is the whole cup of water. And look at this. Well, I'm kind of parked at the angle, but still, look at this. The whole cup of water is holding. So a lot of protection, stylish, very nice grooves. I like it. I like it a lot. So all you have to do, just take the floor mat out and drain the water. So I also want to show you up close. Look how thick these are. these Lasfit floor mats are. Very nice thickness. And very nicely cut. Professionally. Easy installation, perfect fit, safe for the environment, safe for your health so you don't inhale any chemicals even in a hot sunny day, durable construction. That's all that makes me get these Lasfit floor mats for my vehicles. 90 days money back guarantee, hassle-free warranty, 24 hours, 7 days a week, online support. You can email them, you can call them. Great product, and they're getting better and better because I can tell you this is upgraded product and they're gonna last for a long time. Protect your vehicle. I want to show you in this Lexus these floor mats. They came from the dealership just to compare. So these are original Lexus dealership floor mats that came from a factory. You see how thin? These are very thin. They still look nice, but doesn't give you as much protection like Lasfit. And you see this edge right here is very small, the lining, and it's very soft, very soft. So these are not bad, but comparing to Lasfit, they're not as great. Doesn't give you enough protection for your floor and your vehicle. Just a comparison. Also, when you compare these to Lasfit, these floor mats from Lexus, they have a odor. It's a little bit smell like rubber a little bit. And the pattern is not as nice, not as aggressive pattern, just a basic pattern. And but they also have this lock mechanism. You can lock the floor mats. So all the links for this product will be in the description below. Please click on the link below, help me out. I make a small commission and it will cost nothing for you. Also, Lasfit is a top leading brand of floor mats. You will not be disappointed with this product. From my experience, I use them for 4 years. They're still holding up very well, and I'll be very happy to use these on this new Honda Civic that I have.